Radio silence after applying for remote jobs? Here's what to do. I know how frustrating it can be to pour time into job applications and then hear nothing. You've sent out tons of resumes and not a single reply. I've been there and I want to help you break through that silence. Here's what to do for remote jobs that you're really keen on. Don't be afraid to follow up. After 2 weeks with no response, it's totally okay to send a polite email. Email the recruiter or HR and ask for an update. Be concise, state when you applied, and attach your CV. Still no response a week later? Email the hiring manager this time. And to avoid this kind of ghost in the future, ensure that your CV is tailored to the role and industry and connect with people at companies that you want to work with before applying. Networking can open doors that applications can't. Don't let the lack of replies bring you down. Stay proactive, refine your strategy, and keep pushing forward. And if you want to know more, tell us what you'd like help with in the comments, and I'll share my free How to Get a Remote Job guide. And don't forget to join me on October 1st for a live Ask Me Anything session. Also, the details are in the comments. Stay rebellious.